Hi. Today I got a 2007 BMW X5 and I'm gonna show you how to reset oil change and you know brake pad resetting. So basically you see the button right here and the screen is right here. You can change on right here to the screen, so you can leave that anywhere, here is fine. So I'm gonna hold this one, that button right here, until the screen change is right here. Select it and change it. So right now it's on the real brake pad. Hold that, release it and hold it, and release it and hold it again. And now it's changed, and also the oil change is the same thing. Just push, hold it, just hold it, release it, hold it. It's gonna change. There you go. So all good right here, everything reset. So thank you for watching.